know.
You know. I'm never concerned. You know, I don't want to change it. Hello.
Hello.
You have a better camera.
Yeah.
Why is this?
Because
We may not be able to do.
there's light coming from your window.
Really?
It's concerning me.
Is it?
Yes.
That's unfortunate for you.
It quite is. Okay, go
Why
ahead.
is my leg warm? Oh god, okay. True friends don't judge each other. They judge other people. Together. This has been a message from Tumblr.